How wet you hoping to get? How wet you hoping to get?
This one could stay underwater.
How wet do you want to get?
So it's like
Not too wet.
And it's cold.
My shoes are dry, so we're good.
That, and it's funny, more funny because the other person's getting splashed. Wow. So maybe looking down, don't ever look down.
You have the money suit.
Yeah, you like this
Everything's soaked.
Your shoes?
Underwear. Everything. Everything is everything. All the way through. It's so relaxing if you don't scream.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Oh my god, no!
Just let your head go with the water. Don't scream.
I know what I mean. Just chilling like a billionaire.
Because it's calming if you don't scream.
You're boring.
Just relax. You're boring. Very boring. Because you call me boring and I'm not boring.
We'll do that with your dad.
No, sorry. No, you're going to be scared.
Welcome back,
So
riders. Please remain
I don't
seated
have
until
to
you have
do
been told to
anything else.
exit.
Make you scared of one thing so I don't have to do other things.